Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You?
Oh. I'll take these off.
Okay. Here. Okay. So, what colors do we do first?
Decorate this thing first.
Okay.
Make this thing around here. Let's make this the
Okay.
cupcakes.
Wait, where?
Around here.
On top.
Mm-hmm.
Or just around the thing?
Around the thing.
Okay. Wait, what should we do on top then? Wait, do you have the pink polka dot stuff too?
No.
What is this? Is this the wallet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is pretty fancy.
No.
Okay.
Oops, I'm using yours. Your cupcakes.
Oh, you can have that one. Because I put the other one in my bag.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Will you open this like you
Oh, do you want the other one?
No. Guys, just give me yours so I don't have to use mine.
Get your box of scissors.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Are these scissors holders? Did you make this?
No.
Oh.
Got it for Christmas
A scissors holder?
from my dad.
Ooh, funny. Are these safety scissors? Alright.
Don't cut my hair.
Yeah, I'll go get my cooking stuff.
Okay. You should call Emily back.
Oh yeah. Where's your phone?
I think it's on the table.
Here, I'll use mine.
Okay. Put it on speaker.
Send. Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Emily. Who was that?
What do you want?
Who is this? Emma. Okay, bye. I think that was Emily's dad. Okay, I'm gonna call. Let's call her back.
Call her on my phone.
No.
No, you apparently have the wrong number.
No, that was the right number. So I've been texting the wrong number the whole time.
Wait, this is seriously the wrong number?
No, I think that was her home phone number. No wonder. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
I'm very sorry, Emily.
You can't text a home phone?
I didn't know it was her home phone. Okay.
Wait, is that the... Oh,
Okay, so her home phone is 737.
don't say it! Oh,
What?
oh, her home phone is... No,
Oh.
it's not.
No, her cell phone.
Her cell phone is, yeah.
Yeah.
You were texting her home phone?
No wonder she didn't get any of my texts ever.
Oh my god!
Okay. Okay. Okay, you say it just in case if it's someone scary again. I'm not a scary person.
Answer the phone!
She really thinks it's a scary person.
Please, please, please leave a message. gonna be like too long. We should make it part 1, part 2, part 3.
Yes.
Okay, I'll stop it.
Well, we can redo it. We can restart it over later once we get pretty.
Well, this was a good one. That was funny.
That was not funny. That was terrible. Oh, we have to cover the bottom too.
My sombrero. Oh yeah, we gotta do the bottom.
Cupcakes! Cupcakes!
Cupcake sombrero.